Have you ever wondered how Reiki healing works? Today we embark on an enlightening journey into the world of Reiki, a path that could potentially transform your life. Reiki, a term derived from two Japanese words, rei meaning universal life, and ki meaning energy, is a healing technique that originated in Japan in the late 19th century. It's an art, a science, and a spiritual practice all rolled into one. At its core, Reiki is based on the concept that an unseen life force energy flows through us and is what causes us to be alive. Imagine a river, flowing unhindered, providing life to the lands it touches. Now picture this river within us, this life force energy, coursing through our bodies. When this energy is high, we feel more capable, more vibrant, more alive. But when it's low, we may feel weak, stressed, even ill. Reiki healing aims to balance this energy, to let it flow freely, bringing about a sense of peace and wellness. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of Reiki healing. We'll explore the science behind it, how it works, and its numerous benefits. We'll also shed light on the role of a Reiki practitioner and help you understand the Reiki process. We'll debunk common misconceptions about Reiki healing and guide you on how to choose a Reiki practitioner. As we move towards the future, it's important to understand how Reiki healing is evolving and what it might look like in the coming years. And finally, we'll summarize everything we've learned, giving you a comprehensive understanding of this holistic healing practice. So whether you're a curious skeptic, a health enthusiast, or someone seeking a new path to wellness, this journey promises to be enlightening and transformative. So, are you ready to start this journey? Are you ready to understand and possibly tap into the unseen energy that flows within you? Unveil the mystery of Reiki healing in the next few minutes. So what's the science behind Reiki healing? Well, let's dive in. Reiki healing is built upon the concept of life energy, also known as chi or ki. This life energy is believed to flow through us, much like blood in our veins. When this energy flow is balanced and free, we experience good health. However, when it's blocked or unbalanced, it can lead to physical or emotional discomfort. Now you might be thinking, sounds interesting, but where's the science? Well, it's in the field of quantum physics. Quantum physicists have found that everything in the universe, including us, is made up of energy. This aligns with the premise of Reiki that we are not just physical bodies but energy bodies as well. Moreover, scientific studies have shown that our thoughts and emotions can affect our energy field. For instance, positive thoughts and emotions can raise our energy frequency, while negative ones can lower it. This is where Reiki comes in. By channeling positive energy into the body, Reiki practitioners aim to restore the balance of the life energy, promoting physical and emotional well-being. In addition, research on Reiki has shown its potential benefits. For example, a study published in the Journal of Pain and Symptom Management found that Reiki helped to reduce pain and anxiety in patients with cancer. Another study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that Reiki significantly reduced heart rate, systolic blood pressure, and diastolic blood pressure in participants compared to a placebo group. Now, while the science of Reiki is still in its early stages of exploration, these findings provide a promising glimpse into its potential. Reiki healing, a subtle yet profound science, isn't it? Now that we understand the science, how does a Reiki session work? Well, let's delve into the process, shall we? A typical Reiki session begins with a conversation. The practitioner will discuss with you about your needs and concerns. This is a key step as it helps the practitioner understand your energy and tailor the session to your unique needs. Next, you will be asked to lie down on a massage table, fully clothed. Comfort is crucial in a Reiki session, so you can also choose to sit if that's more comfortable for you. The practitioner will then set the room's ambiance with soft music or soothing sounds to help promote a sense of tranquility and peace. Now, the actual Reiki process begins. The practitioner places their hands lightly on or just above your body, using a series of hand positions. These positions are often focused on your chakras or energy centers. The practitioner acts as a conduit, channeling the universal life force energy through their hands to your body. This energy flow is not directed by the practitioner, but rather, it is your body that draws the energy where it's needed. The practitioner's hands may feel warm, and you might experience a sensation of heat, cold, or tingling. Some people even report seeing colors or feeling a sense of deep relaxation and peace. A Reiki session usually lasts between 45 minutes to an hour. During this time, the practitioner may move their hands to different areas of your body. Remember, each person's experience with Reiki is unique, and what you feel may be different from someone else's experience. After the session, you'll have time to come back to your senses and discuss any feelings or experiences you had during the session. Some people feel energized, while others may feel relaxed or even sleepy. It's important to drink plenty of water after a Reiki session, as the process can stimulate your body's natural detoxification systems. That's a Reiki session for you. Simple, yet deeply healing. But what does a Reiki practitioner do exactly? Well, let's dive into it. A Reiki practitioner is a trained professional who has learned the art of channeling healing energy into a person's body. They are not just some random people who've learned a few tricks to alleviate pain. They undergo rigorous training, often years of it, to understand the principles and techniques of Reiki. This training typically involves 3 levels, or degrees. In the first degree, practitioners learn basic techniques and how to perform Reiki on themselves. The second degree expands this knowledge to include distance healing, which is the ability to send healing energy to people, situations, or events, regardless of their location in time or space. Finally, in the third degree, they learn advanced Reiki techniques and how to teach and initiate others into Reiki. But how do they do it? How do they channel this healing energy? The answer lies in their hands. Practitioners use a series of hand placements, either directly on or just above the body, to channel energy. They become conduits for universal life force energy, guiding it to areas in the body where it's most needed. This is done with the utmost respect for the individual receiving the treatment, with the intention of promoting self-healing, balance, and well-being. It's important to remember that Reiki practitioners do not heal. Instead, they facilitate healing. They help create an environment within the body where healing is more likely to occur. The actual healing, the shifting and balancing of energy, is performed by the body itself. The role of a Reiki practitioner is a profound one. It's a role of service, of facilitating wellness and balance. They are there to guide, to channel, and to support, providing a safe and nurturing space for healing to take place. They honor the body's wisdom and its capacity to heal itself, simply acting as a bridge between the universal life energy and the recipient's body. Reiki practitioners, true conduits of healing. You might be thinking, what are the benefits of Reiki healing? Well, this ancient Japanese technique has a myriad of advantages that go beyond simple relaxation. Reiki healing is a holistic approach addressing the body, mind, and spirit. Let's start with the physical benefits. Reiki healing can help alleviate pain and discomfort from a variety of ailments. It aids in the recovery process after surgeries or long-term illness. By balancing energy within the body, it can also help improve sleep and boost the immune system, making you more resilient against health challenges. But the benefits don't stop at the physical. Emotionally, Reiki healing can provide a sense of peace and serenity. It's a tool that can help manage stress, anxiety, and depression. It encourages emotional clarity and spiritual growth, allowing you to let go of negative emotions and embrace positivity. The harmonious energy flow can also enhance your capacity for love and empathy, strengthening your relationships. Mentally, Reiki healing can contribute to enhanced focus and clarity of thought. It can ease the mental clutter that often leads to stress and anxiety, promoting a state of calm and centeredness. This can lead to better decision-making and improved productivity. Reiki healing also encourages personal and spiritual growth. It can help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the universe. It can encourage self-love and acceptance, fostering a positive self-image and boosting self-confidence. And remember, Reiki healing isn't just about treating symptoms. It's about promoting overall wellness. It works by balancing the body's energy, creating an environment where healing can naturally occur. It helps to restore harmony and balance, promoting a sense of well-being and vitality. So, whether you're dealing with physical pain, emotional turmoil, mental stress, or seeking spiritual growth, Reiki healing can provide a holistic solution. It's a non-invasive, natural, and safe method of healing that can complement traditional medicine and therapy. Indeed, the benefits of Reiki healing are as diverse as they are plentiful. Every individual's experience with Reiki is unique and personal, but the overarching theme is one of balance, healing, and wellness. Reiki healing, a holistic approach to wellness. Despite its benefits, there are many misconceptions about Reiki healing. It's a common occurrence for holistic therapies to be surrounded by a swirl of myths and misunderstandings, and Reiki is no exception. One of the most common misconceptions is that Reiki is a form of religious practice. The fact is, Reiki is not tied to any religion or religious belief. It's a healing technique that focuses on channeling energy into the body by means of touch. to activate the natural healing processes and restore physical and emotional well-being. Another widespread fallacy is that Reiki healing is a quick fix for all ailments. While it's true that Reiki can help alleviate a variety of health issues, it's not a magical cure-all. It's a complementary therapy that works best when used in conjunction with traditional medical treatments. It's also often misunderstood that Reiki healing is only for the ill or injured. This is far from the truth. Reiki can be beneficial for anyone, whether they're dealing with a health issue or simply seeking a greater sense of balance and peace in their lives. It's a tool for stress reduction and relaxation that anyone can use. Some people also believe that you have to be in the same room with the practitioner for Reiki to work. This notion is incorrect. Reiki energy is not limited by distance or space. Distance Reiki can be just as effective as an in-person session. Lastly, there's the myth that learning Reiki is difficult and requires special abilities. The reality is, anybody can learn Reiki. It doesn't require any specific skills or talents, just the willingness to learn and practice. In dispelling these misconceptions, we hope to shed light on the true nature of Reiki healing. It's a holistic technique that promotes overall well-being, reduces stress, complements traditional medicine, and is accessible to everyone, regardless of their faith, health status, or location. Reiki healing, much more than meets the eye. Indeed, it is a journey of discovery, understanding, and healing that goes beyond the surface. Interested in trying Reiki? Here's how to choose a practitioner. Embarking on a journey towards holistic healing with Reiki is a personal and transformative experience. It's essential that you find a practitioner who resonates with you and your healing needs. But how do you find this person? Start by seeking out recommendations. Word of mouth is powerful, so ask around. Friends, family, or even your healthcare provider may know of a Reiki practitioner they trust. Online resources can also be valuable, with websites and forums dedicated to Reiki offering reviews and recommendations. Once you have a few practitioners in mind, research their qualifications. Reiki doesn't have a standardized training or certification process, but reputable practitioners typically have completed training courses and can provide proof of their expertise. Look for practitioners who are open about their training and experience. Next, consider their approach to Reiki. There are various styles and interpretations of Reiki, and each practitioner may have a unique approach. Some might focus more on the spiritual aspects, while others might emphasize the physical healing. It's important to find a practitioner whose style aligns with your own beliefs and expectations. Once you've narrowed down your options, schedule a consultation. This will give you a chance to meet the practitioner, ask questions, and get a feel for their energy and practice. Trust your intuition during this meeting. If something feels off, it's okay to keep looking. Finally, discuss the practitioner's fees. Reiki sessions can vary in length and price, and it's important to find a practitioner who fits within your budget. Don't be afraid to ask about sliding scale fees or package deals. Remember, choosing a Reiki practitioner is not a decision to take lightly. It's about more than finding someone with the right qualifications. It's about finding someone you feel comfortable with, someone you trust, and someone whose energy resonates with yours. Choosing the right practitioner is the first step towards a successful Reiki healing journey. So, what does the future hold for Reiki healing? A question that invites us to ponder the endless possibilities of this ancient practice in our modern world. As we move forward, we're witnessing a unique blend of tradition and innovation. Reiki healing, once dismissed by some as pseudoscience, is now gaining recognition and acceptance in mainstream medicine. More and more, healthcare professionals are appreciating the benefits of Reiki, recognizing its potential in complementing conventional therapies. In the future, we can expect Reiki to play an even more significant role in holistic healthcare. As research continues to explore the depths of this practice, we're likely to see a growing body of evidence supporting its effectiveness. This will undeniably lead to higher acceptance and utilization of Reiki in various medical settings. Imagine a world where Reiki healing is not an alternative, but a regular part of healthcare. Picture walking into a hospital and seeing Reiki practitioners working alongside doctors, nurses, and therapists, all striving to provide the best care for patients. This is not a far-fetched fantasy, but a potential reality that we are steadily moving towards. Moreover, technological advancements are opening new doors for Reiki. Virtual reality, for instance, could revolutionize how we practice and experience Reiki. Imagine being able to receive a Reiki session from the comfort of your home, guided by a skilled practitioner through a virtual interface. The future of Reiki may not just be about hands-on healing, but also about harnessing the power of technology to make this practice more accessible and effective. The future of Reiki healing also lies in education. As understanding and acceptance grow, so will the demand for skilled practitioners. More institutions will offer training programs, and more people will seek to learn the art of Reiki, making it a widely practiced skill. In closing, the future of Reiki healing is bright, full of potential and promise. We're on the cusp of an era where Reiki could be a mainstream practice, enhancing health and wellness globally. Indeed, Reiki healing is a promising frontier in health and wellness. Let's recap what we've learned about Reiki healing. We started our journey by introducing the concept of Reiki healing, a Japanese technique focused on stress reduction and relaxation that also promotes healing. It's a practice that harnesses the power of life force energy, with its roots deeply embedded in the belief that an unseen life force energy flows through us and is what causes us to be alive. Next, we delved into the science behind Reiki healing. We discovered that while it might seem mystical, there are scientific theories that align with its principles, such as the quantum field theory. We also learned how Reiki healing impacts our bodies on a cellular level, promoting relaxation and reducing stress, thereby allowing the body to heal itself more efficiently. We then walked through the Reiki process, understanding how a typical session is conducted. We learned that the practitioner uses a technique called palm healing or hands-on healing, through which a universal energy is transferred through the palms of the practitioner to the patient in order to encourage emotional or physical healing. We also discussed the role of a Reiki practitioner and their commitment to healing others. We learned that they are not just healers but guides who help channel the healing energy. Then we explored the numerous benefits of Reiki healing, from physical health improvements like pain reduction and improved sleep to emotional benefits like stress reduction and emotional balance. We also debunked some common misconceptions about Reiki healing, reinforcing that it is not a religion, but a holistic healing technique. We also provided guidance on how to choose a Reiki practitioner, emphasizing the importance of feeling comfortable and connected with your practitioner. Looking towards the future, we envisage the potential of Reiki healing in the evolving landscape of holistic and integrative medicine, and how it can be a powerful tool in our quest for optimal health and wellness. Remember, Reiki healing is about channeling life's energy for optimal health and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.